guys. So it's freezing cold. It's so cold right now. It's like 40 something degrees, maybe closer to 30 something. Doesn't matter either way. It's freaking cold. But Scott wants to give her another try on the bagger, hit some scrapes maybe. So we're going there right now to go check that out. Go ride with him, see what's up with that. So Scott just got some new parts for the bagger. He got a built rear fender, so they weld like a real thick steel plate on there with some titanium so you can scrape and stuff. So he just got that put on. So I'm on my way right now to meet up with him at the stunt spot to see if he can throw some sparks. We'll see what happens. We got Scott and Alex here. I gotta get some shots.
Heavy on the SS social, man. Loyalty over royalty, y'all niggas know the vibes.
Fuck your kill this beat, bitch.
Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm moving ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't sick of they roof, Chris. I get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she giving throat. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece, that's another zone. Ice in the VVs, now she down to get treachy. I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. Smoking the Zaza, it go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his lata, then he dancing my chata. Smoking the Zaza, it go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Then I'm open his lata, then he dancing my chata. Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in the...
Kinda looks like when you're scraping that your wheel comes off the ground.
Did it actually?
Like completely, it looks like your rear wheel, cause it, dude. I don't know, I'd have to look at the footage, but it looks like it. Bro, literally when you came down, both wheels came off the ground.
I was about to say, I saw your back tire come down. When you came down. I ran out. Set it down, your tire, I saw it just come down. Dude, that was...